It's time for our poem of the week. This week's author is Sara Fox. And the title of the poem is Bonfire Night. I'm a rocket soaring high, zooming up into the sky. With a bang and a boom, I sprinkle my stars, colours so bright, twinkles and sparks. How many rockets can you spy up in the November sky? I'm a bonfire burning bright, sizzling flames that dance in the night. With a warm orange glow, I crackle and snap. As I toast your marshmallows, please stand well back. Can you see a bonfire burning bright to celebrate this Guy Fawkes night? I really hope you enjoyed our poem of the week. Give this video a like to let me know if you did. Remember to subscribe to keep updated with all my new videos. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye for now.